Lily the lizard lived by the Whispering River. She loved to spend her mornings exploring the mossy banks. One sunny day, she saw something sparkling deep under the clear blue water. It looked like a fallen star trapped in the ripples. Lily reached into the cool water and pulled out a long, shimmering tail. It wasn't a star at all, but a beautiful fabric tail that glowed with every color of the rainbow. "Oh my!" Lily chirped. "Now I will be the most beautiful lizard in the whole woods." Lily carefully tied the rainbow tail over her own plain green one. It was very long and felt quite heavy, but she didn't mind. She stood as tall as she could on a fallen log and admired how the colors caught the sunlight. She felt like a queen. Lily wanted to show her friends how fancy she had become. She tried to hurry down the forest path, but the long tail was clumsy. As she skipped along, the rainbow fabric got caught under her own feet. Thump! Lily tumbled right over a smooth, round stone. Alara the frog hopped over from a nearby pond. "Are you okay, Lily? That tail looks awfully heavy for a little lizard. Do you need a hand?" Alara reached out a friendly hand to help Lily stand back up. "I'm perfectly fine," Lily said, quickly brushing off her knees. "I just need to be more careful with my beautiful tail." She tried to climb a sunny berry bush to show off her colors from high up, but the long fabric snagged on a sharp, thorny branch. Zorp the beetle flew down and landed on a leaf to see what the fuss was about. "You look very stuck, Lily," Zorp buzzed softly. "Maybe that tail is a bit too big for your adventures. It seems to be getting in your way." Lily sighed. She realized she couldn't move at all. Alara the frog hopped back over to help. Alara grabbed the very end of the rainbow tail and pulled with all her might, trying to wiggle the fabric free from the stubborn thorns. While Alara pulled, Zorp the beetle crawled down to Lily's waist. He used his strong legs to help Lily unbuckle the heavy straps of the tail. "It's okay to like pretty things," Zorp said kindly, "but not if they stop you from being yourself." With the heavy tail finally gone, Lily felt as light as a feather. She realized that having friends like Alara and Zorp was much more important than looking fancy. She spent the rest of the afternoon racing through the grass, feeling faster and happier than ever before.